Hey class, welcome back to Chapter 3, Linear Relations and Equations. Today we're looking at Exercise 3L, Practical Applications of Simultaneous Equations. We will go straight into an example for this one so that we can more easily step it out. So our example is, a rectangular block of land is to be fenced along three sides with the front boundary left open. The length from front to back is 20 meters longer than the width. If 124 meters of fencing is used, what are the dimensions of the block of land? Now, whenever you approach a worded problem, your first step should always be to ask yourself, what am I actually having to solve here? Okay? Usually it's at the end of the question, we are being asked what are the dimensions of the block of land. Okay, so we want to know what the length and the width of the land are. Your first step now to solving this equation or this problem is to visualize it, okay? Some of you may not need to do this. Sometimes the diagram is given to you. Here we are going to sketch out our own diagram. So we start with a rectangular block of land. All right, cool, I have a rectangle. Is to be fenced along three sides with the front boundary left open. So there's my diagram. I'm now going to flesh it out with a little bit of the information. The length from front to back is 20 meters longer than the width. So the length is 20 meters longer than the width. This being our width. If 124 meters of fencing is used, okay, we're looking for the dimensions of the land. Cool. So we've used this part here. This bit here is still needing to be used. We need to set up two equations, obviously, if we're dealing with simultaneous equations. Simultaneous means there are two of them. Our first we've already indicated in the diagram. So our length is 20 plus the width, okay? And our second equation, we're going to use the perimeter of the fence lines. This is where that 124 meters comes in. So the solid lines, not the dashed line at the front. We're not fencing at the front. We want to be able to access the property. Okay, we have 124 meters of fencing, and that is going to give us 2 of the length plus 1 of the width. Okay, so once along the back. We now solve these as per exercise 3G. We can substitute these if we want to work by hand. If you would prefer to use your CAS, however, your CAS will spit out the solution for you. W equals 28 and L equals 48, okay? So it also can be done on your CAS. If you weren't too sure how to do that, refer back to exercises 3I or 3K, okay? I would go with 3K personally, so page 150 to 151 is my recommendation for you there. Finally, we should state the solutions in words for worded problems. So, the block of land is 28 meters. Units are really important. Everything's been given in meters. Wide and 48 meters long. And we can check it back if we need. Okay, 48 as our length is definitely 20 more meters longer than the width. And if we substitute it into here, 2 times the length plus the width, okay, yep, that would give us 124. As always, guys, good luck with the work. If you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, I will speak to you all very, very soon. And take care.